Compared to other types of theft under New York law, grand larceny stands unique in how certain actions commonly associated with petty forms of theft can result in significant punishment and profound legal implications after a conviction of such crime. Grand larceny in New York is classified as a felony and encompasses diverse situations, from theft from individuals to shoplifting, each with its own set of complexities. Facing felony theft charges, particularly in the context of Manhattan grand larceny, is an intricate legal challenge with profound consequences. In such critical times, turning to the experienced team of Manhattan Grand Larceny Lawyers at Lebedin Kofman LLP is a decision that can profoundly impact the trajectory of your case. The complexities of felony theft charges demand a legal advocate who possesses a deep understanding of New York's legal framework, the intricacies of theft laws, and a track record of effectively navigating the nuances of the local legal system. Working with a seasoned New York City criminal defense lawyer can be a critical factor in securing a favorable outcome amidst the legal complexities and potentially life-altering consequences that accompany such charges. What is grand larceny? Grand larceny, as defined under New York laws, pertains to a specific category of theft that involves unlawfully taking and carrying away someone else's property with the intent to permanently deprive the owner of its possession. It's a serious offense that encompasses a wide range of scenarios where the property is stolen, such as theft from a person, shoplifting, and more. The core elements of grand larceny include the unauthorized taking of property belonging to another individual or entity, an intent to permanently keep the property, and the absence of legal justification for the act. The severity of the offense and the ensuing legal consequences can vary depending on factors like the value of the stolen property, how it was taken, and whether any aggravating circumstances are involved. In essence, grand larceny is a criminal offense that involves substantial theft and is classified into different degrees based on the value of the stolen property, each carrying distinct penalties. Top-rated NYC criminal defense attorneys explain the elements and classifications of grand larceny under New York law. To establish a charge of grand larceny, certain key elements must be met. 1. Unlawful taking. The defendant must have taken the property without the owner's consent or authorization. 2. Intent to permanently deprive. The defendant must have had the intention to keep the property for themselves or otherwise permanently deprive the owner of its use and possession. 3. Property ownership. The property in question must belong to someone else, and the defendant must not have a rightful claim to it. 4. Value of stolen property. The value of the stolen property is a determining factor in the classification of the offense, leading to different degrees of grand larceny. Differentiating grand larceny from other types of theft under New York laws. New York laws encompass various types of theft offenses, each with distinct elements and consequences. Understanding the differences between grand larceny and other types of theft is essential for navigating the legal landscape effectively. Here, we'll differentiate grand larceny from two common types of theft: petty larceny and burglary. Grand larceny. Petty larceny. Burglary. Grand larceny is distinguished by the value of the stolen property and the intent to permanently deprive the owner. Petty larceny involves the theft of lower value property, and burglary centers on unlawful entry with the intent to commit a crime. These distinctions are essential for individuals navigating theft-related charges and building an effective defense strategy tailored to the specific offense they are facing. Navigating legal procedures and proceedings. In the intricate landscape of legal procedures and proceedings, understanding the steps that follow a grand larceny charge is essential. This section provides insights into what you can expect as you navigate the legal system in Manhattan, including the arrest to arraignment process, bail options, grand jury proceedings, and the potential for plea bargains and negotiations. Arrest to arraignment. What to expect. Bail and pretrial release options. Grand jury proceedings. Plea bargains and negotiations. Knowing about the stages and procedures involved with a grand larceny charge in Manhattan is vital for individuals navigating the legal process. Having an experienced NYC grand larceny attorney by your side ensures that you're well prepared for each step, that your rights are upheld, and that you make informed decisions that align with your best interests throughout the course of your legal journey. Legal penalties for grand larceny and potential consequences of conviction. Conviction of grand larceny in New York can lead to a range of legal penalties and significant consequences that can impact various aspects of your life. The severity of these penalties depends on factors such as the degree of grand larceny, the value of the stolen property, your criminal history, and the circumstances of the case. Imprisonment. Fines. Restitution. Criminal record. Social stigma. Collateral consequences. Probation or parole. Factors influencing sentencing. Exploring possible defenses to grand larceny. Effective defense strategies are built on a solid understanding of the law and an exploration of possible defenses tailored to your specific situation. Some potential defenses in grand larceny cases include: 1. Lack of intent, demonstrating that you did not have the intention to permanently deprive the owner of the property. 2. Mistaken identity, providing evidence that you were wrongly identified as the perpetrator. 3. Claim of right, demonstrating that the defendant genuinely believed in good faith that they were the rightful owner or that the property had been entrusted to them by the actual owner. 4. Duress, showing that you committed the theft under the threat of harm or coercion. Each case is unique, and an experienced attorney will tailor a defense strategy that aligns with the circumstances surrounding your charges. In the face of grand larceny accusations in Manhattan, proactive measures can significantly impact the outcome. Seeking knowledgeable legal representation ensures that you have an advocate who can navigate the complexities of the legal system, protect your rights, and strategically build a defense aimed at achieving the best possible result. Defending against aggravating circumstances. Organized retail theft, identity theft and grand larceny, high-value property theft. Working with a skilled Manhattan grand larceny lawyer. When facing the complexities of a grand larceny case in Manhattan, the significance of legal expertise and experience cannot be overstated. Navigating the complexities of such charges demands not only a deep understanding of the law but also a proven track record of success within the local legal landscape. This is where Lebedin Kofman LLP steps in. We stand ready to be your staunch advocates, equipped with the knowledge, experience, and determination to safeguard your rights and navigate the intricate journey ahead. Navigating the legal landscape in Manhattan requires a comprehensive understanding of local laws and procedures. Our team of skilled Manhattan grand larceny lawyers at Lebedin Kofman LLP is intimately familiar with the unique aspects of the jurisdiction, including court practices, judges, and opposing attorneys. This local knowledge enhances their ability to anticipate challenges, adapt strategies, and maximize the chances of a successful defense.